In Nigeria and Africa, Igbos, that's the Igbo tribe, are known to celebrate one of the most lavishing events, especially when it comes to traditional marriage, the Igbo marriage. So, I don't know if you have experienced an Igbo traditional marriage before, but in a typical traditional Igbo marriage, everything starts with the decorations. On the day of the marriage, of the day of the event, the person that is in charge of the decoration will come, start putting things together, start fixing the whole place to give it a flamboyant outlook that will depict a truly Igbo lavishing event. So that's how it all starts. As you can see in the video, they are setting everything up, setting everywhere up for the event that will take place for the day. In decorating the whole event place, sometimes the bride has her own specifications. There are things that she would desire to be in place a certain way, that she will also desire that the decoration is being done depending on how fashionable, on how lavishing she would like it to be. So the decorator makes sure that everything is done the perfect way. And also, while the decorations are going on, other preparations are going on at the same time. In the kitchen, they are cooking different types of food, and the makeup person is there trying to make up the bride, and so many other things. The DJ is setting up his equipment, the security people are getting ready. Everything is just being done at the same time, so that at the exact time that they told people that the event will kick off, everything will just kick off without anybody keeping the event from starting. So that's how a typical Igbo marriage is being prepared for. So when all these are done and the families of both the bride and the groom are there ready, the MC that will anchor the event is ready, there wouldn't be much thing keeping the event from kicking off. So at this point, everything starts.
Thank you very much.
So here is one of the MCs making an introduction to the event before other activities will start. So these are women from the family of the bride dancing to go and greet their in-laws. They will greet them, welcome them to their home, then go back to where they are staying for the event to continue. And these are bouncers making sure that everybody behaves in the event. This is the bride with her ashebi making their first entrance into the event. It was such a very flamboyant entrance. Right now, the woman is about to go and find her husband with this cup of drink. When she finds him and gives him this cup of drink and he drinks it, that means that she has found her husband and everything has been sealed up, that they are now husband and wife. So she has given the man the drink, the cup of drink, and the man has drunk it, and it's now been sealed up. They are now husband and wife. They are now returning the cup of drink to the family of the wife, to the father of the wife.
Hey, attitude, attitude. Who did they video this thing for?
So right now, the event is about to progress to picture taking stage and dance, dance, dance.